All right, guys, this is test number 1 with the windows down, GoPro attached to the roll cage in super view. Do you like the super view better, or do you like the wide view better? All right, so with the super view, the main difference is you're gonna see more out the sides at this angle. So again, we're starting off with the super view, and also I want to see if I have the windows down, if you're gonna get a wind noise. So let's find out. And can you also see my gauges? I don't think so. I don't think you can see the gauges whether it's super view or wide anyway, so. And also, how's the audio? Is the audio good? Can you hear me? I'm pretty sure you can hear me because you're right next to me. Alright, so we're just doing 35 there. Camera stable as well. Brakes feel fantastic. Now there's not much sunlight out, so with the GoPro or with any kind of camera, the more light you have, the better the picture quality. Okay, again, this was super view.